Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the days are getting hotter and hotter, and every day that goes by, the sun is just blazing. So I have friends that are starting to reach out to me and ask me about salad dressing. They're like, Shantae, salad dressings have so much sugar, they have so many added things that I don't like. What is your go-to salad dressing? What's one that I can pick up? Or if you make your own, what are you making? So today I'm going to bring you one salad dressing that is my go-to right now, and I'm also going to give you a couple tips on salad dressings you can make at home. I'm going to give you some tips on salad dressings that you can make at home, but first let me tell you the go-to salad dressing that I've been making. So this is so easy to make. It's super delicious and simple. You only need a few ingredients. So the only ingredients that you need for the salad dressing is some tahini, lemon juice, and then you'll also need some type of salt, whether you use sea salt or regular table salt. So those are the three ingredients. What you're gonna do is take about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the tahini. You're gonna put it in some type of container that you can keep, and you'll add the lemon juice, maybe about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for every 2 tablespoons of tahini, and then add salt to taste. This is a super simple and delicious dressing. The tahini has really good healthy fats in it, so it's very satisfying. And then, of course, the salt taste will be satisfying on your greens and everything that you have in your salad. So another go-to salad dressing that I like to make is the same base of the tahini, the lemon juice, and the salt. But then I also like to add some oils to it to give it an extra kick. So I'll add like the oregano oil. Just one drop goes a super long way. A drop of the lemon oil, and then a drop of the turmeric oil. So those are all like really good, healthy, healing properties for your body. But it's also going to just kick your salad dressing up a huge notch, make it taste amazing, and those flavors are going to really pop because it's the essential oils that you're using. So I know you see my nutritional yeast back there, and you're like, she didn't talk anything about that nutritional yeast. I just like to have nutritional yeast around all the time because it's really good for you. That nutritional yeast by Bragg's, they always have additional B vitamins in it. They have B12 in it. So I like to have it because it tastes good. It adds a nice cheesy flavor to dishes. I like to put it on popcorn as well on my salad, of course. And if I make vegan mac and cheese, that's one of the ingredients in it. So I just like to have it on hand. It's a really good addition to having your seasoning cabinet when you're having this healthy vegan lifestyle and you want that nice cheesy flavor. And I'll be sure to link my vegan mac and cheese recipe in the description box below so you can watch that video tutorial if you haven't seen it already. It's really good and delicious, and yeah, it's one of those things that when you go vegan, you think that you might not be able to have mac and cheese anymore. That's not true. I have a delicious recipe for you guys, so I'll drop it below. Now, let me give you my 2 tips about salad dressings that you can use that are really easy go-tos, and you don't have to worry about all the added sugar and things that you find in normal, regular salad dressings. So, the 2 things I love to use as salad dressing are hummus and guacamole. So, you can make your own hummus really easily. I'm pretty sure I have a recipe on my channel. I'll drop it in the description box below. But you're just going to basically take chickpeas, some tahini, some lemon juice, and salt and pepper to taste, and blend it up, and then you have your creamy hummus so you can just add straight onto your salad. Good thing about that is you're adding a lot of nutrients as well, like your protein and different vitamins that you may not have as much of a nutrient dense dressing when you're using a dressing from the shelf. So go ahead and use your hummus. It's going to taste yummy. It's going to be filling. And so my other tip is the guacamole. So you can make your guacamole with some avocados that you have around the house. Add some avocado, some lemon juice, some salt and pepper, some other ingredients for your guacamole. If you don't want to do all of that, just go to your deli department of your grocery store. You'll find some hummus there, and you'll find guacamole there as well. And the ingredients will be on the label. And usually it's very simple because they're making it fresh back there at the deli in the grocery store. So that's my little sneaky tip I like to do when I don't feel like cooking and making things. I'll just grab the guacamole that's fresh from the deli, and I'll grab the hummus, and then that'll be my salad dressing. I know it's fresh. It doesn't have like all those extra preservatives because it hasn't been sitting on the shelf. And they don't have to have that long shelf life because they just put it out in the freezer section. Not the freezer section, but the refrigerator section of the deli, and it's good to go. So guys, I hope you like those tips and salad dressings that I shared with you today. I really feel like making some yellow split pea soup. I bought these yellow split peas a couple months ago, the dried ones. And I know it's summer and we're into salads and all that, but I just feel like a comforting bowl of yellow split pea soup. So I think I'm going to make that. If you want to see that recipe, leave me a comment below. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.